So, yeah, tell me, say, this young lady is not only incapable of controlling her fingers, she's incapable of controlling her front. She go get the job as a correctional officer, go in and go see the prisoner them, and her front go tweet, twip, 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 twip. A long trail of water was behind her as she went in and out of that office. Because one of them, or multiple of them prisoner them in, they gave her the twippy twips. And you were so hot and bothered, you couldn't even keep it to yourself. You had to go and share it to your sisters online. So now you lose your job. Who you gonna blame? I hope and pray the man get released by a morning so you can get a sort out. Or you can go commit a crime and go in there with him. But wait, you're going to a different prison. You're just dumb. Can't help your mama. You leave it to God.